So here we have the BMW 118i on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with black alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the center, you can see there's a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. You can also see the total miles for the car. They are 64,030. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control and speed limiter on the left-hand side, phone and stereo controls on the right-hand side. Into the center, the main screen for the car. So up on here, you can pair your phone for starters. The movement that I'm making on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into any of these menus. We're on the main menu at the moment. So again, using that dial, you can rotate it, push it down, you can rotate it, push it down, and you can see there that we have the full satellite navigation. So color screen, this is BMW's business nav, very easy system to use. You can access your media and radio. This car's got DAB, FM and AM radio, a CD player, Bluetooth audio and USB input as well. We've also got certain BMW friendly apps you can have projected up onto the screen, and you can access various different vehicle settings from this menu. On top of all of that, there's a visual guide to the parking sensors, which you can see just there. Working our way down, the main volume for the stereo, the CD player, and then climate control. So you can adjust the temperature, the direction you'd like the air distributed in, the fan speed. Air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again, or hit auto. In doing so, the car will take full control to maintain this temperature. You can go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. We have 2 cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket. You can close this over as well. You can turn off the traction control. You can also change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the vehicle into Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort and Eco Pro modes. Comfort would be your kind of everyday driving. And we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.